Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching subject to the correct form. This is the first rule you must apply. Use am with I because that form is unique and fixed. Uses for singular third-person subjects, he, she, it, or a singular noun, because it marks singular agreement. Use are for plural subjects and for you, whether singular or plural, since English treats you uniformly. Once done, say the sentence aloud to check agreement. Contractions like I'm, he's, there follow the same matching rule. Now form questions and negatives, change order to make questions, and add not to make negatives. For example, invert, are they coming? Is he on time? That inversion signals a question instantly. For negatives, attach not after the correct form. She is not, they are not, I am not. Remember, am not rarely contracts. Use tag questions to confirm, she is, isn't she? They are, aren't they? Make sure to keep subject-verb agreement when converting statements into questions or negatives. Finish by using is, am, are with continuous tenses and compound subjects. This keeps your meaning clear. For progressives, pair the correct form of be with the ing verb. I am working, she is studying, we are learning. For compound subjects, decide singular or plural agreement and apply it consistently across clauses. If you get stuck, substitute a simple noun or he/they to test which verb fits. That quick swap reveals whether to use is or are, and it prevents agreement errors in speech and writing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.